Today, I am going to get some plants in the ground. The heck? Piece of wood and just threw it up like it was nothing. This is an amazing tiller. This little thing is a champ. As you can see, this section of the garden looks so much better. I'm gonna have 4 different quadrants in this garden that I can do rows of different things. It is officially planting time for the garden. The first plant is going in. Of course, every garden has to have some tomato plants, so that's what we're gonna start with. I've got 4 different varieties here. Going in.